We're beginning tonight with a story that really brings home the impact the Great Recession has had and is having on this country. A new analysis of Census Bureau numbers finds the profile of poverty, where it is and who is trapped in it, has changed dramatically. And poverty has reached new depths. A record number of Americans are so poor they would have to see their incomes double just to reach the poverty line. We asked national correspondent Jim Axelrod to show us how America is changing.
Poverty does not look like it used to, according to a new analysis of U.S. Census data. It is growing fastest, not in the cities, but in the suburbs. In the last decades, poor neighborhoods grew by 54% in the suburbs. Compare that to 18% in the cities. The study was done by the Brookings Institution, a nonpartisan think tank. Elizabeth Kneebone is one of the lead authors.
This shift in the demographic profile challenges some of the preconceived notions we have about what extremely poor neighborhoods look like. By the end of the 2000s, residents in these areas were more likely to be white, more likely to be native-born, had higher education levels, and more likely to be homeowners than at the start of the decade.
The official poverty level for a family of four is $22,314. 1 out of 15 Americans are now living on 50% or less of that income, an all-time high. The Midwest is the region with the fastest growing poverty rate, up 79%, with Youngstown, Ohio, hit by the loss of steel jobs, home to the nation's highest concentration of poverty. The West saw a 16% decrease.
And all this comes a week before the government releases some additional economic data, Scott, that will show more Hispanics and more elderly have fallen into poverty.
Jim, thanks very much.